We're now in the month of May, and so it's time for another market update. Hello everyone, I'm Mark Pruitt, founder of Strategic Estate Planning Services. Let's look at a few areas as a snapshot for this update. First, the Federal Reserve raised the overnight fund rate 1/4 point in May, which brings the benchmark funds rate to 5 to 5.25. The central bank appeared to soften its language of the future fund increases, but that remains to be seen. They did remove, though, a line of additional policy firming, which is a positive thing. That means they may not raise rates as much as they have in the last year and a half here. Chairman Powell also noted that it will take time for inflation to come down and would not be appropriate to cut rates. So he confirmed that. He also stated, we on the committee have a view that inflation is not going to come down quickly. Now, in regards to the U.S. GDP, which is the measurement of all goods and services, that rose 1.1% in the first quarter, but below the estimate of 2% that was projected. That can be a sign of a slowing economy. Now, inflation, CPI, which is the Consumer Price Index for the first quarter, was 4.2, which is higher than the estimate of 3.7 that they were hoping for. Also, April CPI, Consumer Price Index, rose to 4.9%. Now, regarding Social Security, the cost of living adjustment, also known as COLA, is estimated to rise 3.1% in 2024. Now, that estimate reflects a 4.9% rise in prices in April from a year ago, according to the Senior Citizens League. You know, it's interesting, Social Security benefits have lost 36% of their purchasing power since 2000, according to the advocacy group. The actual 2024 COLA will be based on the third quarter inflation data and will be announced in October of this year. So then you have the debt limit talks that they're in the middle of right now. Talks that need to happen before or really toward the beginning of June that needs to be solved. I can promise you this, we are not focused on all of the headlines of the day, but we are focused on opportunities as we continue to layer into the market in May and June. So what does this data potentially tell us? Well, in my opinion, it says, number one, we feel the economy is slowing. We still feel like inflation is still too high. We don't expect interest rates to come down anytime soon. And as the second quarter data comes in, we feel we'll have buying opportunities. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call us at 1-800-381-8870. Thank you, and God bless you and your entire family.